Hey everyone, welcome to our first Onshape tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Onshape and CAD and the basics that you'll need to know about Onshape. So first, what is Onshape? Well, Onshape is one of the CAD models of all time. CAD models being computer-based software to aid in design processes. Popular software include AutoCAD, Fusion 360, Tinkercad, SketchUp, and Onshape. Why are we talking about only Onshape? Great question. Well, Onshape is great for teamwork. Multiple people in your team can work on a file at the same time. Additionally, Onshape is free, and unlike other softwares, you don't have to pay. Additionally, it's very easy to import files from GoBuilda or AndyMark, two very important sources for files that you'll need for FTC. And like I said, yeah, it'll be really good for FTC and FLL. How to use Onshape? Well, today I'm going to be explaining some basics about how to use Onshape. So let's start off with an easy introduction to Onshape. We click Create and we click Document, and we give our document a name. Um, let's call it Onshape New Tutorial. Let's create that. All right. As we can see here, we get this file right here. However, this is not what we're looking for. This, as you can see here in the bottom left, is called Part Studio, but this is called Assembly. So you may be wondering, what's the difference between both of these files? Part Studio is basically if you're trying to 3D print or if you're trying to design a new part that's different from the robot. That's not found in GoBuilda or AndyMark. We'll be talking about that in a different episode. But today we're going to be focusing on Assembly 1. So, Assembly 1 is how you're going to put together pieces from GoBuilda or from AndyMark or whatever website, how you're going to put together your robot. So, I'll start off simple. First of all, you to insert, you just click this plus button right here that says Insert New Tab, click Import. Then you'll want to click your file. It should preferably be a step file if you download it from GoBuilda or AndyMark. And then once you import it, click Import. Then it should say uploading, uploading, and then you'll just wait for it to import. It should say when it's done, and bang, created at 5:59 today. Now we click Insert, click this, and oh, okay. So then let's click where we want to put it, and now we can see this. And now I'll show you how to navigate and how to familiarize yourself with Onshape. So as you can see, this is my hand, and to turn this around, want to press with two fingers. You want to press down and just move your fingers. If you move left, it turns left. If you move it right, it turns right. Up, it goes up, and down, it goes down. You can spin it, all the cool stuff. Another way you can move is this button right here. As you can see up here, you can tilt, turn, and look at your file in many different angles and viewpoints that are that are already there for you. So instead of spinning and doing like this, you can just click this and it'll reset back to a good view. Now, another thing is zooming in and zooming out. To zoom in, you want to put two fingers together, zoom in. To zoom out, you want to just pinch together, zoom in, you want to pinch far apart. So zoom out, or zoom in and zoom out. One major thing that you'll need to know for Onshape is mates. How mates work is basically putting two things together. For example, let me add another one of these. And let me put it right here. Now, say for example, I wanted to put these right next to each other, but I didn't know how. Well, one really good thing about Onshape is that you can put them with ease. So one major way you're probably going to put things together with FTC and your actual robot is you're probably going to bolt them together or use screws. Now, these screws will go through both of them and they'll probably share the same hole, meaning that if you wanted to attach these, they would probably be attached by the same hole. So, how you would attach this is there's a bunch of mates at the top right here. What we're going to be using is Fasten Mate mostly. Fasten Mate is incredible because you can click one. So this is what's not going to move. And then you're going to click the hole that will move. So say I wanted to link them like this. And bang. So as you can see, you probably can't see anything right now. Why? Well, because they're probably like right on top of each other. And because they're the same shape, you probably can't see anything. So uh, you can click reorient, which will spin this in 4 other directions. Otherwise, you can click flip primary axis. This basically changes which way it's going to be. For example, originally it was under this yellow circle, as you can see the yellow circle, and now if I click flip, it's going to be above the yellow circle, as you can see here. So let me do that again. Right now it's under the yellow circle, now it's above the yellow circle. And you can also flip this in 4 different directions. So now we know how to use mates. So everything from here on out is just plain using mates and moving things around. For example, say I wanted to link this piece right here. Not that one. Say I wanted to link this piece right here with this piece right here. Then it does something cool like that, or you can flip it and so it goes under it. You can turn it, and that is the biggest and most important part of using Onshape. Practice that for now, and we will see you in the next episode with more tricks and tips. Until then, stay safe and have a wonderful day.